Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button to be notified as soon as I post a new video. Hi everyone, Ishpreet here. Welcome back to Slick and Natty. So off late I've got a lot of acne on my face, as you can see here. This is because the weather in Mumbai right now is very humid, and on top of that, when I shoot I have to keep my fans and ACs off so that the sound doesn't get into the video. So my face tends to sweat a lot during the shoots, and that is why I've been getting pimples. But there's a party in the family tonight which I have to attend, and this is not going to look good, as you can see. And I'm not sure if I should be applying makeup on my acne or not. What if it worsens the problem? And if I do, what products I should be using and what precautions I should be taking. So to get me out of this problem, Dr. Devita came to my rescue, and we did this makeup on my face, and you can see my after makeup photos here. So there's a drastic difference, and plus the products that I've used didn't worsen my acne situation. So let me get Devita here and tell you all the things that you should be keeping in mind while doing makeup when you have acne on your face. So Devita, my first question to you is that if somebody has acne or pimples on their face, should they do makeup or not?
Ishpreet, it was an old school of thought that you should not use makeup when you have acne, but the good news is that now you can use makeup even if you have acne, because the newer cosmetic formulations which are now available is more skin friendly. It is just that you have to keep some things in mind when you are choosing your product and applying your makeup.
Okay, so Devita, what are the products that we should use and what are the precautions we should be taking while applying makeup when we have acne?
First, you should rinse your face with a face wash containing salicylic acid.
And before we move on to other products that Devita has to suggest for acne prone skin, I wanted to tell you that for your convenience, every product that she recommends, we've added the link for buying that online in the description box below this video. So you can find that link in the top of the description box. You can click on that link and check out all these products. Okay, so Devita, what should come after you rinse your face?
The second point is that you should hydrate your face before you go for a makeup. So you can use a moisturizer which is water based, which is meant for oily skin and for acne prone skin. So after the moisturizer, you have to apply sunscreen which is gel based if you are going for a day party. But if in case you are going for a night party, then you can omit this step. After applying moisturizer and sunscreen, give it 2 to 3 minutes to settle down, and then start using concealer. You have to dab it with your finger at all the points where you have acne or acne marks. So once you have concealed your acne and acne marks, then you have to use a foundation which matches to your skin tone. But when you pick a foundation, you have to see that it is meant for oily skin and it is water based, because the creamier the foundation is, the more likely it is to clog your pores and cause more acne. And if you are in a hurry, you can use a BB cream which contains moisturizer, sunscreen, concealer, foundation, everything in one cream. So when you are using a BB cream for your acne skin, then you have to pick one which contains salicylic acid, which will also help you to prevent more acne.
Okay, so this was all about the base of the makeup. But Devita, if we have to use blush, are there any points we should keep in mind for that?
Yes, when you are using a blush, then you should use a matte color, not the glossy and the shiny ones, because that will make your acne more prominent.
Okay, yeah, so the shine in the glossy colors or the shiny colors will make your pimples stand out. So don't use that. Use matte colors instead. Also, there are certain precautions that you must take while applying makeup when you have acne. So Devita, what are those precautions?
The first thing which is very important is to maintain good hygiene of your brushes, because there are so many times patients coming to me when they have done the makeup from a parlor or even at home. Sometimes they are using the same brushes again and again, so that brushes also become a source of infection and that can cause acne. So you should frequently clean your brushes. I'll tell you how to clean your brushes in a proper way. First, rub your brushes on a clean tissue paper to dust out all the cosmetics which is present on it.
Then take a baby soap because it is gentle and make a solution of it with water like you can see here. Dip your brush in it and clean it. Then drain off all the water. You can see how the color of the soap solution has changed. So all this cosmetics and dust was there on your brush. After washing the brush, keep it upright like this on a tissue paper so that all the water gets drained out and the brush becomes completely dry for next use.
And one more thing to keep in your mind is whenever you are using a cosmetic products, you have to check the expiry date. Don't use expired cosmetic products at all on your skin because it's going to harm your skin a lot.
Yeah, this might sound like an obvious suggestion, but many times it happens that we have old products, old cosmetics lying at home, and when we take those out to use, we don't check if they are still within the expiry date or not. So make sure you check that every time you use a product. So girls, these were the tips and precautions related to basic makeup that you must be taking care of when you have acne. So now you don't have to give your parties a miss. Even if you have acne, you can enjoy your parties with these makeup tips. So we hope that you found this video useful. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos and connect with me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter accounts. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.
टाइम पास करती है।
क्या है रुक गया।
अभी 2 हंसना है कुछ स्ट्रेच सीरियस। कब तक करके? टॉम 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 टॉम